You ever realize that sometimes you're not meant to fix the problem? Sometimes you were just meant to be the calm in the storm. This is the story of Kenjii's first thunderstorm, and the lesson she taught me without saying a single word. So, this happened on a night that started completely normal. Quiet. Calm. One of those evenings where nothing feels out of place. Kenjii's curled up, doing her half-sleep twitch thing. You know, the one where she's clearly chasing something in her dreams. Probably a goose, or a shadow, or she's doing someone's taxes. Outside, not a cloud in sight. Then, the sky clears its throat. That first thunderclap hits. Deep. Loud. Sudden. Kenjii jolts awake like she just got drafted into the military. Ears straight up. Eyes wide. Body frozen. She doesn't bark. She doesn't run. She just looks at me. And that look says everything. Not, "What was that?" but, "Are we okay?" The rain starts. The thunder rolls again. Closer this time. Kenjii starts pacing. Back and forth. Back and forth. She tries the couch. Nope. Too exposed. She tries under the table. Also nope. Then she does something that hits me right in the chest. She comes over, leans against my leg, and just stays there. Not shaking, not panicking, just close. So I sit down on the floor, right next to her. I don't rush her. I don't baby her. I don't tell her it's nothing. Because to her, it's everything. Another thunderclap hits. And this time, she presses into me harder. And it hits me. She's not looking for answers. She's not asking me to stop the storm. She just wants to know that somebody steady is there. So I slow my breathing. I relax my shoulders. I stay calm, even though thunder makes my own nerves jump. Because dogs don't listen to words, they listen to energy. And slowly, Kenjii starts to relax. Her breathing matches mine. Her body softens. Her head rests against my leg. The storm is still raging outside, but inside, everything's quiet. That night taught me something I didn't know I needed. We spend so much time trying to fix things, control things, explain things away. But sometimes, the storm isn't meant to be stopped. Sometimes, the lesson is this: be calm so others can feel safe. Kenjii didn't need me to be brave. She didn't need me to pretend thunder wasn't real. She needed me to be present, grounded, steady. And honestly, that applies to life too. With pets, with people, with kids, with anyone who's scared. You don't always need answers. Sometimes You just need to sit down and be calm. So yeah, that was Kenjii's first thunderstorm. The sky was loud. The rain was heavy. But she showed me something important. Strength isn't always about standing tall. Sometimes it's about staying still. Thanks for walking with us, guys. More stories next time.